What if I told you this isn't the only universe? That somewhere out there, another version of you exists, maybe a little taller, maybe a villain, maybe a talking donut. Welcome to the multiverse. Not just a Marvel plot device, but a real scientific idea that's blowing minds across physics. You've seen it in Spider-Man: No Way Home. You've heard it in Doctor Strange and maybe even Everything Everywhere All at Once. Parallel universes, infinite Earths, alternate timelines, and Hollywood loves it. But here's the real question. Could it actually be real? Let's start at the beginning. Literally. Right after the Big Bang, our universe expanded insanely fast in a process called cosmic inflation. But some scientists think it didn't happen just once. Instead, it might be happening all the time, in other places, in other bubbles. Imagine boiling water. Each bubble, a different universe. Some with different physics, some where gravity is stronger, some where pizza doesn't exist. Truly the darkest timeline. Now let's go smaller, into the world of quantum physics. In quantum theory, particles don't pick a path, they take every possible path until someone observes them. This leads to the many worlds interpretation. In short, every time a choice is made, the universe splits. Chose cereal instead of toast. Boom, two new universes. One where you're crunching flakes, the other where you're buttering bread. Now multiply that by every decision, by every atom. You get an infinite tree of branching universes. So yes, in some versions of reality, you're a doctor. In others, you're a squirrel. In one, you clicked off this video 30 seconds ago. Glad you stayed. But here's the wild part. We don't just imagine these universes. Some physicists believe they're mathematically necessary. Other theories, like string theory, go even further. They say our universe might be like a 3D sheet, a brain, floating in a higher dimensional space. Other brains could be floating nearby. And if two brains collide? Big Bang, again. Yep, a new universe is born. Kind of like cosmic bumper cars. So can we jump between them like Doctor Strange? Short answer, not yet. Long answer. We don't even know if we can detect other universes, let alone visit them. Some scientists look for signs. Tiny scars in the cosmic microwave background or hints that gravity leaked from a neighboring universe. But so far, nothing solid. So what do we do with this? The multiverse isn't just a sci-fi dream. It's a serious idea. A wild one, yes, but grounded in real math, real physics, and real curiosity. And maybe it's also a mirror. A way for us to ask, what if I had chosen differently? What if I could be more? Because in the multiverse, maybe you already are. So next time you stare at the stars, remember, you might not be looking at one universe. You might be looking at infinity.